How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Silver Lake. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, as you can see, I am back with a banger by the name of the Silver Lake. For those of you that are subscribed like you should be, you saw when I went behind the scenes to the factory and showcased this home fresh out of production. Now, here we are in the field where we've changed some colors, we added some more pizzazz and characteristics to it now that we have it in the field. But that's what you get for being subscribed, is you get to see from start to finish what we're able to do with these floor plans. And this home by the name of the Silver Lake is taking the cake when it comes to a unique 399 square foot park model tiny home. As you see here, this is basically two homes in one. You're getting a deck covered here, centered to combine the two, where you have your entertaining space and then you have your sleeping space on the opposite side. So this is working great for any of you that are interested and have been hitting me up since this aired in the production phase of the video, where you said this works great for my campsite or a campground or just your weekend getaway. Or for some of you, this may be your primary residence because you want something so unique. The Silver Lake is checking all of those boxes. Now, this home is coming in at 11 feet wide, 46 feet long, and that's including the 10-foot porch. And it's on sale today for $81K. Yes, I told you guys since the beginning that I am bringing some new park model tiny homes at competitive prices that cannot be beat. I'm telling you, at $81K for everything you're going to get today, you cannot beat it. And that is including everything besides furniture and decor. And starting here on the exterior, the base of the home is going to be a dark green, believe it or not. I know on camera it may not come out that way, but it is a dark green. Your trim is going to be a black around your doors, windows, and fascia. You're also going to have a galvalume metal roof topping it all off. So if you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know the exterior has 50 years of warranty, 30 years on the metal roof, and 30 years on your composite Trex decking. Now, let's bring it up onto the porch. And as you see, this curb appeal is like no other. And as you enter the side of the home, or the front side of the home, I should say, you're going to see that you are greeted with this 10-foot covered patio that is basically leading you through door number 1 or door number 2. Which way do you want to go? They're both great, but we're going to start here on the entertainment side. What we've chosen to do since the production filming of this particular model is not only have we named it, now being the Silver Lake, but we've also added some more pizzazz. Look at this awning style window that we added here, where you have more of a servant area here with this bar that we have extending. You're going to have enough space underneath for stools. We have the black metal accent below. And again, this works great. It adds more of that open indoor outdoor flow when you want it to be, but of course you can close it down and get that peace and serenity and quietness that you're looking for. Also, with this 10-foot of porch space, you have enough space to put a couple more stools. You can put some patio furniture out here. You can put a hot tub, whatever you want to do. You have enough space to accommodate. You'll also see that we have 4 exterior can lights. It is wired and braced for a ceiling fan in the center. Speaking of bracing, it is mounted and braced for a smart TV. So you got your TV outlet there and TV jack and outlet, I should say, there situated for you. But guys, this is an entertainer's dream. So for those of you that simply look at your bedroom as a place to lay down at night, this is the one for you, because you can spend all your time out at the lake, out at the campground, out at your property, right here, just enjoying the outdoors and the elements here on the porch. Also enjoy some nice beverages, cookouts, whatever you want to do. Imagine you're on the grill and you're serving, you know, from the kitchen back and forth. You have the area to do so. Now follow me through door number 1, which leads to the entertaining side, where you're going to have your kitchen laid out perfectly, where you're going to have the hickory cabinets with the black bar pulls on them. Also, you'll see that we have the 2-basin stainless sink with the detachable sprayer faucet there. We're going to have mosaic backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets. Black appliances in here. They're still wrapped up. I mean, this is fresh off the press, guys. We just got it here, got it ready to roll, and I wanted to bring it to you today. So again, you're going to see some of the cushions and things there, but they're brand new, ready to roll. Microwave up above, additional storage space. Even look at the top of our cabinets being trimmed as well, adding that unique feel. Also get a great look of the interior trim. Everything throughout this home is going to be southern yellow pine when it comes to your baseboards, interior window trim, etc. You also have enough space here with these 3 large windows right here where you can look out and gaze out onto your property accordingly. 3 large transoms up top. You have enough space down below that you could put a couch. You could actually put your dining table here if you wanted to gaze out onto the property, and then put a couch over this way. Regardless, the functionality of the furniture is up to you. You've got your side-by-side fridge, ice in the door here. You have more of your coffee bar right here with your additional cabinetry down below with your drawers, mosaic backsplash, and then of course your cabinets up top. It is prepped with a washer and dryer access where you could easily put one in there. We did, just in case, because we know some people are just going to be using this as a weekend getaway, do not necessarily need the wash machine and dryer. We went ahead and threw the shelving in here for you, but in case you do not need it, it can be removed, taken out, and you can put your wash machine in here as you need it to be. Again, we have 2 transom windows on this side. Space, again, where you want to put furniture here as far as couches or chairs, recliners go, you could do that, or you could do a small table if you wanted additional eating space. We did go ahead and mount another TV there. Again, just to show you options, you can put the TV wherever you want, but that's another option for you. We do have the mini split AC and heat system in here as well. And then you'll see that we have a 3-blade ceiling fan with white blades. Again, the ceiling heights are over 10 feet here in this home, so it feels so open on this side. Now look at the flow, and oh, it feels so good. I got the breeze coming in from outside with this awning window. Again, this works great. You can sit there, add some, hey, here you go, some fresh watermelon for you. Just sliced it. You got that right there, Grandma. I got you ready to go. You got the awning window there for you to use as you need. Now, let's take it back out, and we'll walk across, and you'll see door number 2 that leads into the sleeping quarters of the home, where you follow me in here. And the fun fact of this home, it does have a loft as well. Yes, so that's a surprise and a great feature for a lot of you who may not know, but for those of you that saw the first production video, you knew the loft was in here. But we'll start by going to the bathroom. You'll see here in the bathroom that you have your cabinetry down below. You have your extended countertop that goes over the toilet. We have the LED mirror lit there, so it looks great and elegant. We're also going to have the shower in here. This full glass door with your fiberglass shower that's going to have seats on both sides, enough area in between, but also get a great look of the ceiling height here in the bathroom. So no matter what height you are, you can get cleaned up in this tiny home like you need to. Now follow me on back, and you'll get to the primary bedroom of this home. And you'll see, since this does have a loft, that the ceiling height will be a little lower here. But hey, that's what you get when you got the loft. You got some extra sleeping space. So for those of you that's got grandkids, or you just want some extra storage space, or hey, a couple's retreat, Airbnb, you've got a place for people to sleep down below and additional space for people to sleep up top. And right here down below, you'll see that we have the built-in shirt areas, the shirt cubbies where you have the hanging rods, and then you have your additional cubbies down below where you can put your shoes, etc. You've got your bench seat there, and then we have it pre-prepped and wired for your TV jacket there as well. You're going to have 2 large windows on this back end wall. And then keep in mind, this is just a full-size bed, but you can go up to a queen. You could even go to a king if you want to make it a bedroom. You do have that option. Now, follow me on out, and we will take it up to the loft space. And you'll see, even leading up to the loft, you have this window here just bringing in natural light, keeping this concept open. And you'll see that we have hickory handrails going up to the loft. Your stairs are carpeted just to show something different and give you more of a homey feel. Now follow me up to the loft so you can see how much space you have to work with. And now we're in the loft of the Silver Lake, and you'll see with just adding that extra cherry on top, the Silver Lake is already in a league of its own, but having this loft space just allows additional space for you to put some storage that you would like to keep out of sight, out of mind. You have that opportunity. Or if you wanted a sleeping area, you could put a couple mattresses up here, just a lounge area, kickback space, whatever you want to do. You can turn this into a little gaming area, reading nook. The list goes on, but you have the ability to do so in the loft of the Silver Lake. Notice we kept the floors carpeted in this model as well. You'll get a great shot of the interior trim in hickory. We have a clear story window, because it is an opening window right here off the rear. So that way you have egress, you can ventilate. We need to ventilate right now. It's a little hot in here, but regardless of that, you'll see in this Silver Lake, again, it is checking all of the boxes for anyone wanting a unique, one-of-a-kind, 399 square foot park model tiny home. This may be the one for you. Again, this home is coming in at 11 feet wide, 46 feet long, and that's including that 10-foot porch, and it's on sale today for $81K. Again, $81,000. You'll get everything you see besides furniture and decor. So if you enjoyed this video tour of the Silver Lake, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button for your boy, Mr. Tiny. Let me know that you're enjoying these unique concepts and floor plans, and so that way we can continue to go to the drawing board and feature new plans each and every week. Also, subscribe. If you subscribe like you should be, I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button now and show your support. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Silver Lake was today. Was it the dual concept park model with the porch to combine it? Do you love the aesthetics from the exterior? Do you like the fact that you also have a loft in this model? Just let me know so we can keep those features coming in the future. And for those of you that are interested in purchasing the Silver Lake today or any other model you've seen me showcase, run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Silver Lake as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.